man on the beach, running man on the beach, running man on the beach. Do your dance, do your dance, do your dance. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just gonna be cleaning my house because my mom is coming to town. She will be here tomorrow, so I gotta get everything prepared and ready for her. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today, and that's pretty much it. So if you guys want to watch me clean and organize, then just keep on watching this video. So the first thing that I like to do whenever I'm cleaning my bathrooms is I like to clear off all of the countertop space. Then I like to take all of the trash and obviously just throw it away, and then clean out that toilet bowl. So now I'm just cleaning off all my mirrors. I'm just using a regular glass cleaner from the grocery store. Although I really do enjoy using the Method Mint glass cleaner from Target. And I will go ahead and link all of the cleaning products that I'm using in this video down below. So I'm now just wiping down all of my cabinets with the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray, and this is in the scent Peony, and I absolutely love this scent. It smells so good and makes my house smell amazing. So a good little tip for whenever you're cleaning, if you're new to cleaning, I like to just clear out everything out of the space that I'm cleaning, and then just put it to the side and start scrubbing away. Okay, so next up I'm just taking this Method Squirt and Mop floor cleaner, and I believe this is in the scent Lemon Ginger, I want to say. I'll have it linked down below, but anyways, this stuff makes my floors squeaky clean, and it smells so good. Okay, so next up I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap in the scent Lilac, and wow, you guys, these spring scents are just so amazing from the Mrs. Meyer's line, and I did purchase this through Grove Collaborative. next up, I'm taking this Mrs. Meyer's room spray in the scent lavender and just going to be spraying that all over my house. Okay, and actually I'm really embarrassed to show you guys my closet like this, but you know, I just gotta keep it real with you guys and let you know that my closet was pretty much out of control, so I definitely had to do some spring cleaning in this bee. Okay, so clearly I'm not the best at organization or anything like that, but if you guys do have any tips for organizing or staying organized or a good system, please let me know down in the comments below. I would really like to know and appreciate your tips and advice, and I'm sure other people would as well. Okay, so clearly it did not turn out perfectly, but I do feel so much better now that things are put away in my closet and off the floors and everything is in its correct spot, so I was pretty happy with the result. So, if you guys are wondering why there is a mattress in the middle of my living room, it's because my mother is coming up from Colorado, so she's going to be staying on that because I have a 1-bedroom. And yeah, so I'm just vacuuming that up for her, nice and clean, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.